Welcome, today I am with OPPO Reno6 5G and I'll show you if fingerprint sensor works when you apply on your display the tempered glass. So yes, we can find in this phone sensor in the screen, and we are going to make few unlocks to see how it works with tempered glass on the screen. So let's start. Let's make few unlocks. Okay, so as you can see, there's no problem with sensitivity of the fingerprint sensor, and it also works every time. It recognizes my fingerprint all the time, so you don't have to be afraid of installing tempered glass on display in this phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.